6039. 1. Restart the system. 2. For PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 players, try changing the storage location of Call of Duty, Warzone. Path, setting storage. Locate your own Call of Duty, Warzone, choose system storage, only if the app is sitting in system storage. For extended storage, press options on the DualShock 4, move to extended storage. 3. Update your console and Warzone. 4. Rebuild database on the PS4 safe mode. 5. For PC users, lower the graphics settings. 5.1 disabled. Dynamic resolution and VSync. 5.2 disable the following settings. Streaming quality. Texture resolution. Texture filter anisotropic. Particle quality. Bullet impacts and sprays. Tessellation. Dismemberment and gore effects. On-demand texture streaming. 5.3. Turn off your antivirus software, especially Avast. 6. Remove and reinstall Call of Duty, Warzone.